Now, first of all, you can take square. Now draw here like this. Now save it. Now draw here again a square. Save it. Then here. Sorry. Okay. Now then you can again take square and draw here and put here. Now another. You guess what I can draw? This. Okay. Now you can take this and draw here. Now save it. Then take orange color. Take fill. Now you take orange color, then draw a straight line. Sorry. Draw a little bit of down. Okay. Little bit of down, draw it. Then take fill tool and fill it up with orange color. Then again take straight line and green color. Then do the same process. Now see, again take the black color and circle and draw here. Now sieve it, then take again dark blue and put here this one. Do same process how you draw it. Draw like that, this one. So guys, now see our flag. Please try it in your computer or laptop. I request to my friends and also to parents, try it. Tell to try it them on their computer or laptop. So, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon to get the first notification of my new videos. Also share my videos with your friends and family. Like my channel. Bye-bye. Jai Hind. Bande Mataram.